Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about essential oils from the brand Good Vibes. Purple.com actually contacted me to make a video on these. They actually sent me these stuffs. So yes, now if you want to know the details and the uses and benefits of essential oils, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon which is right next to the subscribe button. So now without any further delay, let's get into the video. Today I am going to be showing you two essential oils. One is Rosemary and the other one is Yanglang. And if you check their website, that is purple.com, and I will be linking all the links in the description box below. Please do check out. And if you check, there will be like different types of essential oils in their range, and they are quite good as well. So I'm going to be talking about these two in today's video. Now these are from Good Vibes, as I said. One is Rosemary and the other one is Yanglang. The packaging comes something like this. It's like this normal cardboard box, and you do have the ingredients and other details at the back, and at the front you have the brand logo and the type of the essential oil that you are getting with. So the bottle looks something like this. It's like this royal blue bottle with a gold cap, and the bottle is of glass, and it is very small and sleek and handy. You can just carry it wherever you go. And also in the bottle you will be having all the ingredients, how to use, benefits, and other caution informations. And also you will be having the expiry date, which is very important when you are using these kind of essential oils. Usually essential oils have quite a bit of shelf life, but then it is also mandatory to check the shelf life and use them. If it is expired, then please do not make any compromises. Even if you have the whole entire bottle with you, please do throw it away. Let's just now jump into the benefits of using these kind of essential oils. Now this particular one is rosemary essential oil. When you take in general, the uses of essential oils are kind of same. Now in particular, when you take this rosemary oil, it is amazing for hair growth. Just add 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil into a bowl of coconut oil or castor oil. Mix it up and massage this into your scalp. This actually gets rid of itchy scalp, dandruff, and also promotes good hair growth. The second tip is that the smell of this rosemary oil is amazing. It just reduces and calms down your stress level, and also helps to get rid of headaches if you have any. Also, if you feel like very stressed or tense, just take the bottle, smell the bottle, the oil, and you'll be definitely feeling an instant freshness. This actually works instantly. You don't want to carry any pain balm or amartanjan, something like that. Just have this oil with you. This has multi-purpose benefits, so yes, you can definitely carry this with you. Also with the rosemary oil, you can just add 2 to 3 drops of the oil in a glass of water and mix it well, and then pour it up in a spray bottle and spritz this all over your face in a cleanly washed face. This also helps to reduce acne and blemishes. Also, if you have tea tree oil, you can definitely do the same process if you want your acne game to get to an end. So the next one is this yanglang oil. Now this oil smells divine. Now this one is amazing. This also gives this refreshing perfumey kind of smell. To compare, rosemary oil kind of smells like the eucalyptus oil, but this one is definitely a game changer. Like this one is amazing. Even if you don't have any pocket perfume with you, just add this one like on your dress, just like 2 drops on your dress, like on the underarm area or on your neck area, and you smell good the whole day. And the main important thing that I need to talk about is about its smell. You can also put this on a spray bottle with some water, and you can spritz this on your blankets and your pillowcase so that you may fall asleep so well. And also you can get rid of your insomnia problems if you have any. I should recommend you this if you are someone who loves perfumey kind of smells on a day-to-day life, and you want to be like something that is 100% natural, then please go for this Yanglang essential oil. So that's it for these two oils. If you want to try some other oils, you can definitely check their site. Again, please do check the description box. I'll be linking all the links in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you find it useful, please let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know if you want to see a makeup tutorial on this look, because I just mixed like 2-3 shades on my lips, and also the same for the base, so it will be hard to show you in this video. So let me know if you want a tutorial on this look, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.